ade ba Badwam Adom TV and ono niguso a ohwe na bremo anase brewe edu se me de awokansi SM brom din etinyame ba Bernard Padibotwe aseda kese enkoma Rechoko yes anopa de ope bibi abo me na ase na se bibi adeda na kwemu a Rechoko se na me de no be twan hot anope me wi a nyama bi gu echi ho a me de beso so na se bibi adeda na kwemu Rechoko na so yasene omo kan ho e de dwumediem sanso na game park say more mula more cash just say opesika edi chairman see a chairman ni ejai what you say ti oso onye sika abranti wesi so abayo wesi so a oso onye sika nti no eba so e Adom TV 9 a.m. 12 p.m. sanso na 6 p.m. e Monday to Sunday e hanom bibia deda na kwem the yan say wa fa phone no dial star 946 ash star 946 ash yes me my media na me ba ndi onya odia wakechi we mun adwumeku amaso yasene my dear ukansi mu nsem ebrem ntempa so ya sha CMF Euro 2024 qualifiers and games ni dudu na etito odwa Portugal etimi eche Luxembourg etwane kan kan enkron wetimi esimu arabraka so unya ode wose ode na obo yento aso ewe fiesem nyame Adom ane the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana and in Liberia ede ukansi ba ko ebe so friendly match na player ba ko Oba Blasters echi ho waje ho aboso alidi sedu e den sema to just say Blasters no born ono onim friendly match and onim say we a crucial game match bia e dey beginim no obeyere no ho aboamo man Ghana.
For me representing my country, I think it's a big privilege for me and it's a very special thing in my career because all footballers are dreaming to play for their motherland and me playing for my motherland, I think it's a big achievement for me. Yeah, as me born in Kumasi, I have a lot of fans in Kumasi and people chanting my name. I think it always boosts me when I'm on the pitch, and when I hear people chanting my name, it always encourages me to give everything to the fans for them to enjoy more.
Yes, Alidi Sedu and out here. No, yenda any enfache the Ghana Football Association aso ye ket okeku GFA president na odani we ni che Ghana enche league no ebeshase na last season no na league no odi we ni che mu supporters in stadium afi anase this season there Ket Simon Okrako say eye den na nyama bi or the nyama bi etoto akwemu se be ya supporters e be pa stadium no ma be chom teams ni up Ket yes Okrako akasa.
Let us all think about how we're going to bring our 12th man back to football. Our 12th man is our fun. We call our 12th man our supporter. It is the collective responsibility of all of us here in Gardet to play our respective parts in ensuring that as we dine and wine, as we celebrate, we do this knowing very well that we have a role to play in bringing back the 12th man of football. This is our challenge in the new season. This is my challenge to every club owner. This is my challenge to every CEO. This is my challenge to all our general managers, general administrators of our football clubs, whether in the
Yes, yeah, that's so our Ghana Football Association and as a Ghana Premier League in Muno. Edmonaka, CEO, Edema, Samates FC, and Che League in Beshase. Now, the maybe at to Aquemo, Sanson want to players for say, player dear, person born home modern, name who now game who so Ginemoa, player, I was so useful.
Without discipline, want to win will be a person. Discipline is the hallmark of every professional footballer, if indeed you're a professional footballer. And to know, and I'm a trouble because there's a man who is winning. Or more to for Monty, in the end, when they leave, home will be, and you know, and not maybe job. So they should be disciplined. Or more say now they should also behave like professionals. And yes, I Okwa Bucha and our professional. So what you have no say. Oh, when you try a kind of bonus or no my no you it distract you. A more development no in your period. Obo say, or be not some spell. Now we say a hold on there on BBI kama. Over by now a match for us to be more. It be how fun yourself to be as a whether a Katuan boy or more, whether bonus boy or more. Now the structure in the at the FA a mamo. And they say if you was
Well, Edmona Kankan and out here. That's what Ghana Premier League. Na league nation say na afidi hebedi ebeten ye papa na league no ebe sha ase bia na oda no ani ediche Bechem United omo ase na league no ebe sha ase no omo the prices bi and as award e the mom players and individuals bi omo bon modern sisi etwem no na afi so omo de abi ahyehyɛ so na nyama ekokɔ so no players omo nya awards coaches agama oyibo adwuma yen hwɛ se na eba so
na nyagro ewo Bechem ene ne mpatemu a Bechem United president Owura Kinsiri Usu Echan obo dwadata oto nsafre omanfo ne titire ene ne popoko no players empanifo ene omo eka bi ewomu omo si nkonwa sie no tudwa ewo ne fie yantam a wasiasi wo Kings Cottage ye no wo Bechem dwumade wo nyina wo hyehye de to se na ebe ya players technical staff any management members the kwakra mu supporters bi apomo hu modene opopoko no mu no yebepo mabaso modebo mapo ewo Ghana League 2 dwa 2022-2023 season ni mu no ohunu se esoni third position de esefata won ahohwa eto nsafra wo mu nyina omunsu be hie mu a omode omoni onyam ebeta akiri nipa bia epo mabaso no Augustine Okra eka ho
achori do bi asi oba asi obecheme papa ni onyam ni munyam shawdi asheme ni munyam kese bidanasi na ali tembia be ko bi ko de ni me ko pa ese nya me mana kwatenti na bidanasi ni munyam shawdi asheme bidanasi
afe PR dima popoko no Owura Emmanuel Tuahene ono so genocitation a yepon se ma no owie ono so kasae.
The president of the club, Dr. Kingsley Usu Echan, because he said in the year 2023 years ago, that member, the ocean me abekasa me fisuswa, but Dr. motivated me. Ocean, a future doctor, dear mommy, a choir was your first one guide me steps in this public relations field that may Ediama Bobokuna, a idea, meet me, Dr. Bunia. It's
yes, Bechem United, yes, omo bojuma be here team kakra no so musuya na say answer season be sha ase no na motimi aye nyama bi we motivate players no e motimi di agro yie ene be ma me ho kwan ma me di awokansem ensem no esi na mu aseda kese enkoma rechoko yes onje wo dia je wo dia na say bono anope na say bibia enkokan ema ma bo me dia me say wi me sa koto aso me kan wi na me ko bia me bo ba ko tina say awon no ewo ho rechoko je wo dia na bibia enkoso ema game park yes almost more mula more power sika de and one say wo botomo ya brand na sika ni botomo oti so jointy it's ne so onye sika dial star 946 hash star 946 hash o de oju phone na o de manya hwe star 946 hash na say waboatum bi dia opeso ye bia no scan ebedam obenya anaso obedi echi e wadom tv ye de bebro 9 a.m. 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. Hey, we dia o de otwa o de nyabotre na betra Adom TV ho na bibia be koso bia no obey lucky person na so di sika gu botom na embrema ma ho kwa ma dia kwansem na esi mi din e de nyame ba